Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the device is unlocked and has sufficient battery so the process won't interrupt. This prevents lockouts. Once done, back up or confirm the alternate PIN or password because turning off Fingerprint reverts you to that method. Now open Settings, go directly to Security or Biometrics, and locate the Fingerprint section. You'll take action in the next step. Make sure to stay on the main account or admin user to avoid permission issues. You'll remove each registered fingerprint. Tap the list of stored fingerprints and select one to remove. Because fingerprints tie to authentication, the system asks for your PIN or password. Provide it to confirm removal. Repeat for every fingerprint until the list is empty. If there's a toggle labeled Use Fingerprint, switch it off after removal to fully disable authentication. Remember why. Removing entries prevents biometric unlock and requires traditional credentials for future access. You finish by verifying the fingerprint list is empty and confirming any Use Fingerprint toggle is off. This ensures biometric unlock is disabled. Once done, reboot the device to apply changes cleanly and test, unlocking with your PIN or password. If you cannot remove fingerprints because of permissions or a locked admin account, sign in as the device owner or use account recovery. Only consider a factory reset as last resort because it erases data. Keep one valid backup, credential available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.